What up, y'all? Just want to share this little video with y'all real quick. These things are like coming out real hot right now, so I just got this MCK, the MCK Gen 2 CAA. See that? It's nice, right? This thing is fire, y'all. So yeah, definitely this is a conversion kit where it's made for the Springfield Hellcat. So this is for my Hellcat right here. So this thing's a little bit different than the ones like for the Glocks because it's specifically to the Springfield Hellcat. So everything works just great with it. I mean, just the way that, you know what I'm saying, they explain to you and you've seen on other videos. All right, it's badass. I got a glass breaker muzzle. I mean, look at the size of that thing, right? It's crazy. Like, bashing glass with that right quick. Got some iron sights right here. Flip up. Bam. Got this one right here in the front. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty tight. Picatinny rail. Now, I'm not going to talk too much about it because there's a lot of other videos talking about the MCK and how good it is. And I definitely agree with them. I mean, I'm excited. You know, this thing looks badass with the light in the front. And like I said, there's other videos about everything else that's on here that you've probably seen right now. But I did want to talk about the pistol grip, the fold-out pistol grip. All right. So let me open this up real quick. So this thing is real dope. Like, you know, very sturdy. Feels very tactical, and it feels very durable. Polymer, very nice design. They did a badass job with this product. Now, I did have an issue that when you close this, right, it's supposed to hook onto that little hook right there, right? This part right here. So typically you just push up a little bit and it locks in place, right? Now when I first got it, it was very loose. Like it was like jiggly, like it was loose from here somehow. But it was weird because when I'd unfold it completely, it would be locked into place and perfectly sturdy, right? Like great. But when I closed it, it was so loose to the point that, I mean, I would just simply like hold it up like this and maybe shake it a little bit like this. It would just simply come right off. Excuse me. So I figured that should not be normal because I didn't see any other demonstrations of the MCK doing that in any kind of way. So I figured something's definitely just not right here. Maybe just this one, who knows? But I looked at it a little bit further, and there's a pin, you see there, and underneath on the other side there's a pin clip right there, a little C-clip. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can hold it here. So if you see that little C-clip right there, that little clip right there is what holds that pin. It's very, you gotta be very gentle because this pin is actually plastic or polymer. And the C-clip runs into a little channel on the bottom of the pin. So you got to be very gentle getting the clip off at an angle, and you pop it out of place without damaging the bottom of the pin. You pull your pin out. Once I pulled the pin out, I noticed that I had a little tiny bit of a gap right in here when it was opened up like this, like extended out. And then when you fold it, it tends to get a little bit tighter. But on mine, when I was closing it, it didn't quite get tight enough, and that's what was causing that jiggle. So what I did is I went through a couple different little, pieces that I was experimenting with. Like, this is like an old polymer washer from like when I used to do Xbox console stuff like that. Even like a metal washer, but I figured I'd go with polymer because of the fact that polymer on polymer is basically gonna not allow it to get so abrasive with anything made out of metal or anything like that. So I went with this right here, which is just a little tiny polymer little washer. Very small, very thin, see? Not sure what the size is, so I can't really give you the specs on this, because this is just stuff that I had laying in some extra parts box stuff. Once I did that, I put it in here. I had the pin out, obviously, and I put it together just as you see here, extended out, locked into place, holding it here, and I slid that washer right in between here, pushed it in, and then I lined it up with the pin and dropped the pin in here, and then put the clip right back on. All right. So after doing that, immediately solved my problem. Like, to the point where this thing feels like 110% better now. Just the feel of it, because it feels so like it's on there, it's grabbing. I mean, I can get this thing now. I can shake this thing, run with it, jump with it, and it's not coming off. But it's very easy for me to open it up when I do need to open it up and sling it out, because it's very quick. I hope this helps some that may run into this issue. I love CAA and the MCK product. I'm a fan, I'm a customer, and I'm gonna continue purchasing from CAA. I have nothing against the product in any kind of way. I just feel that this should have been looked at a little bit more. I kind of gave them my opinion about it. Didn't get too much of an answer, but if you guys from CAA are watching, I love you guys. This is awesome. That completely fixed my problem, and I hope it helps anyone else that runs into it. All right, peace, y'all.